Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to copy text from an image on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 15. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So, iOS 15 introduced a new feature called Live Text Mode. This feature allows users to point the camera to an image which has some text, and it allows the users to copy the text to another app or clipboard. Let me show you how to use this feature. Open your camera app on your phone. Now point the camera to a scene where there is text. You should see 4 yellow corners appear on the camera view. At the bottom right, you'll see a square icon. Tap on it and this will take a preview of the text. Now using your fingers, you can highlight the text and you can see several options appear. You can copy text, select all, look up text, translate if it is in another language, you can make the iPhone speak, and you can share the text. This is a useful feature as a student as you can easily share notes with your friends. And that is how to copy text from an image on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 15. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.